Skewering Success, mastering the phrase, skewer the meat. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the colorful world of English phrases. We'll be unpacking the phrase, skewer the meat, exploring its meaning, usage, and nuances. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, this video will serve as your guide to understanding and using this phrase effectively. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase. Skewer is a verb that means to thread or pierce with a long, thin object, often a stick or metal rod. Meat refers to the flesh of animals used for food. So, skewer the meat literally means to pierce meat with a skewer. This is a common practice in cooking, especially for grilling or barbecuing. In different cultures, skewered meat has its unique names and preparations. For instance, in Brazil, it's called churrasco, and in Japan, yakitori. Understanding this phrase also opens a window into various culinary traditions. It's often used in contexts discussing cooking or planning a meal, especially outdoor or communal cooking events. Interestingly, skewer the meat can also have a metaphorical meaning. It can imply getting to the heart or core of a matter, much like how a skewer pierces through the center of the meat. In conversations or literature, it might be used to describe someone addressing an issue directly and effectively. When using this phrase, ensure you're referring to the correct context. It's not used for regular cooking methods like boiling or frying. Also, avoid confusing it with similar phrases that have different meanings, like spill the beans or cut to the chase. That's a wrap on Skewer the Meat. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this phrase and its use in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with exciting discoveries. Keep exploring, and you'll find yourself mastering English in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.